Delicious. Good morning, good morning. This morning I am going apple picking with my daughter Karen and with her friend and my girlfriend and her son, and we're going to have a really good time. So come with me as we go apple picking. Explore the orchards, the apple orchards. I'm really excited about going and seeing the apple orchards because I'm putting together my own apple orchard. So come with me as we go to the Apple Orchard Farm. I'm here at the orchard and looking at the preserves, the different butters and things that they have here. And it's really interesting. This is where they have the pears. It's so cool. Yeah, so it's fun. We made it. We had a really good discussion in the car, but we're going to have a great time getting apples. Okay, so I got my map and I got my bag, and here we are walking. Here we are walking in the orchard, and there's so much to see and to do. So we're heading down.
No, the dealer is here.
So we're heading down to the Empire apples and the Gaylor apples.
Want to say cheese? Look at the camera, wait it. Oh, there you go. Oh, you can reach it. Woo!
My first apple.
Yeah!
Woohoo! Woohoo! Here's another one. Terrence's there, Cortland apples.
These are Empire apples.
These aren't Empire. This has a little bruise on it.
I'm surprised you didn't say, oh crap, she just
Yes.
dropped it.
So I'm going to eat this apple. Look at that. I polished it here. And I'm going to bite into it. Delicious. Oh my goodness. This is fantastic.
Fresh from the tree.
These aren't even Empire, these are Portland. Empire's are way better. Let's look at this.
Okay, so we're gonna go get some different varieties, but this one is delicious so far. up in that apple tree.
Lord. I can't even get this.
Look at Gran.
Oh, I should go.
Glamfun up in the tree.
I can't even
Wait,
get
what's her
it.
name?
Glamfun.
Oh, Glamfun.
Yeah. So I'm going to eat this apple. Look at that. I polished it here. And I'm going to bite into it. Delicious. Oh my goodness. This is fantastic.
Fresh from the tree.
These aren't even Empire. These are Portland. Empire's are way better. Let's look at those.
Okay, so we're gonna go get some different varieties, but this one is delicious so far.
Want to say cheese? Look at the camera, wait it. Oh, there you go. Oh, you can reach it.
Here we are in the pumpkin patch. We've had a great day picking apples and just having a lot of fun. Here we are in the pumpkin patch, and we just finished picking apples, and we just wanted to get a picture with the pumpkin. And there are many varieties, very many sizes I should say. And it's been a wonderful afternoon.